Hi guys. I'm gonna show people things. I've already created a Scottish clubs in England database, and I know how to. I worked out everything. Yep. So anyway, we'll show the finished product first. So and then I'll show you how to do it. So 3 is the finished product, and I'll go back into that, and because all the prize money, everything I've done is in this one, but later on I will save that as this. Yeah. So that'll have all the final, all 3. Yeah. So okay. So divisions, the correct relegation spots, 3, right? No playoffs, right? Division 2, because I have North and South, there's 6. There's 6 relegation spots, right? So 2 automatic, 1 through the playoffs, right? 4 and 1. So when there's more than one uh, 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 promoted number of teams promoted from playoff, when there's more, well, that has to be times by 4, right? So that's right. Okay, and then so anyway, we had a look at the playoffs. So 2, so that's 2, and the 4 is 6, right? Okay, so that's how you do that. 2-legged, so it's number of teams in playoffs 8, right? In instead of 4, right? Yep. So that makes better sense. Then the same with, right? So because it's 8, right? 8 relegated from Division 2 North and South slash, like, yep. And see, what I was doing before, I was doing it individually, right, in those things, and that's why it never worked. So I don't do that. I just do it in here, and yeah. So the 8, and then back to the single, right, and with the playoffs, yeah. And again, right. Then I worked out, because more, okay, yeah, and I decided 16, so 4 teams per level. So then I made it then, because I added new divisions as well, in level 8 and 9, 1 extra one in level 8, and 2 in level 9. Then um 2 teams um uh in each league promoted, so that's why, yeah. So 4 there, and 4 there's 8. Yep, that matches. And 1 leg of the playoffs, then 8. So that's half. So that's 8, then 8. So, and times 4. 32. And no automatic promotion places. So it was the 16 spots in level 9. All the 16 promotion spots in level 9 was the in the playoffs, and so 64 clubs. Yep. So that's how I done that. Yeah, so if you want me to we go to the, and I created that flag as well. I added the Scottish club logos on it. Right, so just to let people know, so then add nation rule, and you want the new, right, not add, but because it's a custom England. Right, so you set up the date. Right. Actually there. And reset on the 15th of June. Then the transfer windows. I do quick, and I always do it at the season of Football Manager, so the July, right, and you make sure 2019 and end of August, right. So that's the first transfer window, right. 2020 January, start there. 2020 and say the 30th. That's just whatever you can make a 31st, whatever, a month, 30 days is long enough for the winter transfer window. Okay, so now you go to, you add to the, so basically what I did, right, my custom, so instead of 20 teams in the Premier League, I put 22, right, my customs, and the championship, which I renamed English Division 1, right, so number of rounds there, you put whatever substitution. On my custom databases, I do 7 from 12, right? Number of promotion places, so none in the Prem, no automatic, right? Number of relegation, 3, played on a Saturday, right? I just want to show you basically a league system, and then another time I can show the cups. I'll show you another time a finished product of what I done with adding the cups. Yep. Number rounds 2. 2 automatic promotion spots. In my system, instead of 3 relegation spots, 6. Because it's the Division 2 North and South, see? So that's why, see? So because of the Scottish clubs and English and Welsh clubs. Right, on the Saturday, yep. Then the sub division, so you choose this, right? Okay, and then you add what's in that, which Division 2 North, Division 2 South. Right. Number of rounds. So we, as I said, so 4 automatic promotion, right? Out of the 6, right? 8 relegations, right? Spots played on the Saturday, and the subs, right? When you guys, anyone makes their own database, they can do whatever option they want in the subs rules, right? Okay, great. We just set this up first, right? And then we add Division 3 North, Division 3 South, 2 rounds, 6 automatic promotions, 3 on each North and South, right? And 2 relegation spots into the National League. Single one. Right. 2 rounds. One automatic promotion spot, 4 relegation spots, right? Next one's a sub, so you go to the, and I've renamed it National League 2 North South. That's what I've done, right? But then you add National League North and National League South, right? Two automatic and 8, 4 in each. Yep. Because yeah, and I've set up. See, level 7's got four leagues, right? And the level 8, instead of 7 leagues, right, I've added another league in level 8, right? And then level 9's got 16 instead of 14 leagues, right? So then people know, and you set the you add the um, promotional playoffs. Right. Okay. So 1, 2, 3, 4. Right. That's for level 7. Southern League South. And also trial and error. The maximum on relegation spots is 30. You can't do 32. So I've yeah. So anyway, 16 for this level. It gives then, because of the 8 leagues, so 2 promotion spots. Okay, so and remember, so 8 came down, right? Okay, 4 half that, yeah, because it's very easy to make mistakes. Very, very, very easy. Level 9, no relegation spots, right? See, so I added a league, English Far North, right? So, yeah. And 2 and 2, yeah. 4 and 4 is 8, yeah. See, so it's just have to concentrate and make sure you don't make mistakes. Yeah. 2, 3, 4, and 4. Yep. Right, fantastic. And so because I had 16 relegation spots, right? See, because, yeah, so what I do, 8 automatic promotion spots, and you always test, right? And it's 16, the 16 leagues, so yeah. See, if I had my way, I would have 32 relegation spots, but the editor won't allow that. It changes it to 30. So, and yeah, so I just wanted to let people know. So that's why I just give it yeah. and then the county leagues. See, and then you count, you concentrate, right? So that one, there's 16 to put in. And it's very easy, put the same league again. There, right, check, yeah. That's what I do, and that's why I go right down to the bottom, and then, okay, yeah. And it's no relegation places, so I just do it in order so then I don't make any mistakes. That's how I do. Now it's not automatic promotion spots, so you got to so 1664 right, out of right, so hey, that's why again, because it's 16 leagues, because I not 14, I added 2 to, I just made it easier on me anyway. Okay, 2 to go. Done. 16. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Then 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 8 and 8, 16. Right. 2. You can do whatever sub option you want, right? 0 automatic promotion spots, right? Number of relegation, it's the lowest league, right? I'm not, because I didn't create leagues for level 10, right? But next time I could create, yeah. But anyway, right, done, right, okay. Now now I set the date, right? So the second Saturday in August. Finish on the third Saturday in May. You can select if you can play on Christmas Day. You can. The TV times, right? So just for example, so I'll go through the whole lot, right? National 1930, just right, shared around. Saturday, another national. 12:30 one. 15, right, and then Saturday night one, 13:30, right, Sunday, I just do it all 12:30, $19.30, and then Tuesday, right, yeah, you can do whatever, right, or make that a Wednesday, whatever, yeah, right, so that's the TV, right, now you fix the rules, you can put in your squads. So squad of 25, I do a squad of 30, right? But whatever, you can do that for all. Right, there's no playoffs in the Premier League. Now there's prize money, right? You can do prizes for win, the maximum £5 million. On any of these, 5 million, right? You can even have money for defeat, see? So, and you can add prize money for each place as well, which I do in the finished product, right? I do that, right? So, anyway, promotional playoffs, I don't like, okay. And it's one league. Right. Okay. Now the date, the first Saturday in August. Actually, because it's 22, I'll make it the second Saturday in August. That's what I did, but yeah. 10 play, I don't, for the lower leagues, I don't bother doing TV, right? The same prize money, your squads, right? So I do that for all. Yeah, so that's fine. I just want to, the most important thing is to, right, so there's 4, there was 6 going down, right? So you go to the playoffs, you don't open these. That's where I used to go wrong, right? There's 2, so 8, 2 4s, 8, right? Bang. Right. Yeah, so I've done the playoffs, right? Okay, great. Then the next one, there was 8 going down, the same, so that's 2 and 8. Number of leagues to the playoffs. Make sure, yeah, 2 and 8, good. date. Did I do the date for... No, I didn't. First Saturday. Second Saturday. That's 2-8. Can I do the dates? And one leg. From here lower, I have one leg playoffs, not two. Eight teams going down, right? Right, 8-4, so 4, yep. 4 teams going up by the playoffs, 4 automatic, so that's 8. Do the date first. So 16 for promoted. 16. Number of legs, 1. 8. 16 relegated, yep. So 8. So 8 and 8, 16. Right, you don't open these. That's where I made mistakes. So the date. Start on a Saturday. For these lower leagues, I like to finish in April. I do all prize money, and I do all the squads numbers. So 8. Right, so 4, 16, so 32. Yep. And then 3, 8 to 24. Yep, that's right. Four, 8 to 32. That you can. 16 go down. Yeah, so I've done that, so close it. Make sure I've done. I didn't close it, so alright. Make sure, because I can make mistakes. So that's done. That's done. Right. So there's 1664. $16.64. Right, now the dates. First Saturday in August. End of April. And then after April, then the playoffs. Now, what I normally do then, like that, then you test the rule. Yep, the current national rules are valid, then you save that. I always do reserves under 23s, second under 18s. I might as well show the cups. You have to change all the dates, but anyway, I did it all last night anyway, and I do level 1 to 8. Prem. You can add whatever cups you want. And prize money and all that sort of stuff. I'm only doing no further than level 8. Yeah, done. One leg. You set your match rules. Number substitutions. On for the cups, you can't set your squad numbers. But anyway, yeah, fine. You save it after verifying. Now I want to go back into so people can see. Because that's the end product. Right. Okay, so the cups, we did all this in this, right? I did all the dates, made up whatever prize money I wanted. Community Shield, Wembley Stadium, Super Cup, when the Premier League Cup, I added the 12 Welsh Premier League, yep, and I made sure instead of 22, I put 34 there, 22 and 22. The cup rounds, right? So I added in, and then I made sure I checked all the dates so it didn't clash, right? Always have to, my cups for these major cups, like except for the Community Shield, the Super Cups, they didn't allow to put in the time for FM20. Otherwise, I put in 7:30 at night, 2 legs, semi-finals. Yep. That's what I did. Then the dates so they don't clash. And this is verified. League Cup, right? So those, yeah. Prize money. Then, yep, that's what I wanted to do for that. Again. Another Super Cup. So in the second season, right? So the winners of those, right, play in April, last Saturday in April. make sure, right, because certain level, right, so then for these, right, level 7 and 8, that as long as the finals don't clash, because Pacific date at Wembley. That's all, right? The semi-finals here, two-legged at each other's home grounds, and always replays if need be. Level 9, then all the rounds here. Yeah, so I just made sure the final never clash. That's all. I check the dates. I put whatever prize money I want. So that's how I did that, right? And you see how I did before, right? This is verified. So what I'm going to do now, save as, and I want to, because it stays, I know what I'm doing. The flags, I created that one just for this save. Some of the created clubs, so that's, yeah, Rangers, Celtic, Motherwell, Ross County, Glasgow City, and Dundee City there. Air United, Air City, a created club I've done. Yeah. And that is verified, right? Nice, and I saved it under that. So, yeah. So that's it. You load it up. Just clear, right? Remove all. Right. That's all I want. Verified, yes. Just want to show you that I've loaded it up. That's all. So make sure it's not clashing. So all the Scottish clubs are in England. Yeah, so English county leagues and above, all playable. Right, yep. Put it up. Right, so just choose a club. I don't want to, I can play for whatever club I like. Right. Test. It's just a test, that's all. Just wanted to for the video that you can load the database up. Oh. Right. And then the Welsh ship. That's how I done it. And then like people can play. It's a 2022 league system, right? All the cups I've put in the logos, but after a season, then there is a I've already done a save on this anyway. See, so everything adds up. National League 1. I'll save it, right? Anyway, what I'll do, I'll save it first and load up what I've... Okay. Right, so I've already done a full season. And I can manage clubs as well. Right. So the first season. That's what happened. 3 go down. 6 places instead of 3 because of Division 2 North and South. Just, I wanted to do this system. That's all. The profile. That's what happened. And North and South playoffs. And those 2 got through. That's it. Same. And no one in the playoffs. They missed out that season. So I'll put all the yep. Third Lanark won it. So, and they were relegated. In the South as well. So you can see it all works. Now, after the second season, I'm not going to go through everything. I can actually the English Cup winners cups. Yeah, see, and so that will be played later in the second season. See, and the draw on the 10th of April. Anyway, I just wanted to show everyone. Okay, thank you.